Greetings penguins and welcome to this video. I am Wylan and today we are going to have fun with a little craft kit. It is the Make Shoppe Mosaic Suncatcher Kit. Now I know it's pronounced shop, but whenever I see shop spelled like that, my brain just goes shoppy. Here's the back of the box. Include 1 sun catcher, 55 plastic tiles, 0.705 ounce, 20 grams, crystal grout, 1 plastic tool, 1 sponge, 1 string, 11.81 inches, 30 centimeters, 1 instruction sheet. So what does this kit come with? Because it's telling me to include this. It's amazing what one little typo will do. Okay, let's open this thing up. Let's free the contents. Oh, and there's the instruction booklet. Not sticky to anything. This isn't really sticking to anything either. It's just... Okay, well that was a bust, but I still want to make something with the materials here. I want to make the little thing on the box. So I'm instead going to use some of my Mod Podge and my Dimensional Magic Mod Podge stuff and see if I can still make something cool with it. Let us begin. While we wait for that to dry, let me share some artwork with y'all. I did some more paint pen magnet pieces. We have this adorable puffball cluster. I love how this one's just looking off to the side. Oh. And then another one that is just a flower. It kind of reminds me of like a Thanksgiving turkey hand artwork. It's like the color choices I did for it. And then this one was based off of the other cluster puffball one I did in that video. It's cute. And there's all the buddies. Next, I wanted to share this spooky lady. Ha ha ha. With her claw hands and shadowy tentacles coming off of her. I had a lot of fun with this and I thought it was so cool. I didn't want to accidentally ruin it with a crappy sketch on the side of it. So this isn't very efficient use of paper here. But I'm really happy with how it looks. And lastly, I just wanted to share the sketch of my girl Emily. Let us return to crafting. The dimensional magic is dry. There are quite a few bubbles, but that's probably more my fault. Let's finish this up. Ta-da! Whoosh. Here it is in all of its wonky glory. Final thoughts. I like the star base. The tiles were fine, I just wish there were more of them so you could customize the pattern a bit more. The main failure was the glitter grout. It was completely useless. Good thing I had dimensional magic lying around so I could complete this project. Anywho, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you have thoughts, ideas, or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to see more from me and join the colony of penguins, subscribe! Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye!